Hey everyone, today we're checking out a new product that's been popping up online. The Alien Power Spray Cleaner from BalienPower.com. You've probably seen the ads claiming it's the ultimate cleaner that destroys mold on contact. But is it actually legit or just another sketchy online gimmick? Let's find out. If you want a quick overview, the Alien Power Spray Cleaner is a brand new product with very limited information and no trusted reviews. Based on what I found, it's a risky purchase, and I'd strongly recommend caution before you buy. The product is pitched as a powerful, versatile spray cleaner that can handle tough stains, particularly mold, soot, water, and nicotine stains on many surfaces by dissolving them with minimal effort. The manufacturer suggests users only need to fill the spray bottle with water, add the formula, spray, and wipe. No heavy scrubbing. It looks like this spray is only sold on the official website, BalienPower.com. You won't find it on Amazon, Walmart, or any other major retailer, which is always a bit of a red flag when there's zero third-party presence. According to Scam Advisor, the site has a low trust score of just 25%. That means there's very little verification on who owns the site, where it's based, or how safe it is to order from. Digging deeper, the website was only registered about 6 months ago, so this product is really new. Usually, trustworthy brands have a longer online history, or some kind of verified seller information. But not in this case. I also looked up their Trustpilot page, and it's unclaimed with 0 customer reviews. That means no verified feedback, no star rating, nothing to build confidence. And speaking of reviews, I couldn't find any independent reviews, user videos, or forum discussions. So right now, we have to take all their marketing claims purely at face value. So here's the question. Are you willing to risk your money on a product that nobody's tested and no one can verify? Personally, I'd hold off until real users start sharing results. If you do decide to try it out, I'd recommend using a prepaid or disposable card. Something that limits your exposure in case there are any payment issues or hidden charges. Bottom line, there's just not enough information to trust BalienPower.com right now. The low trust score, lack of reviews, and brand new website all make it a high-risk buy. Until this product shows up on verified platforms or gets some genuine customer feedback, I'd say proceed with caution. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you've seen or tried this product, and don't forget to subscribe for more consumer safety reviews. Stay smart, and don't let flashy ads alienate your wallet.